All right. Well, that was out of fuel. I've got the governor set real high, so it runs pretty, it runs through fuel pretty quick. I will probably pull that second governor spring off to do more testing with the slower governor setting now that I have the generator box set up to not overload and stop this engine. We'll see how that goes with the ET8, because the ET8 runs so much faster than the rest of the ET series. But for now, I need to I need to double check the wiring in the generator box so it'll measure my voltage too. And some quick math. I don't know. Oh, of course my screen dimmed right away. There. Don't know how well that showed up, but on generator 1, we got 25 milliamps at 4.8 volts. That's 0.12 watts. And then the other two generators managed, the 540 had 0.8 volts for 3.3 milliamps measured, and that's 0.002 watts. And the third motor made 1.8 volts for 4.8 milliamps, and that was 0.086 watts. So definitely the first generator, the airplane motor, is the most efficient, which makes sense. The airplane motor has to be really lightweight and efficient to keep an airplane in the air. And the 540 replacement brushless motor has to be powerful, so it doesn't have to be quite as efficient. And of course, a brushed motor is less efficient than either of the brushless. But I will find a better load after I double check all my wiring, and we will see how big a load I can get on these now. And I think I'm going to do a video doing all the math, because I want to double check how the measurements are matching up to the way the math should work. So, but that'll be later. For now, I'm going to head inside and go do something else.